Well, September is Baby Safety Month, and it highlights the importance of providing babies and families with safe practices and products. And over in West Allis, Nick and Melissa with the Southwest Suburban Health Department are making sure parents and caregivers are educated when it comes to child seat safety and safe sleeping practices. They are making sure that all children are safe out on the roadways and at home.
Installing a car seat can be a confusing process, but staff here at the Southwest Suburban Health Department in West Allis are making sure everything is safe.
And then we're going to do the installation with a seatbelt
Before Stephanie welcomes home her baby.
So safety is #1 priority when driving with the kids.
This will be Stephanie's third child, and she says the professionals here give her peace of mind.
And I've installed them all professionally here. When talking with the professionals, they told me it takes like 3 days to get certified, and you would never realize like how important it is, because otherwise it's too flimsy, too wobbly. And when they're installed here or at Children's, it's like you can't move the car seat at all.
The organization offers car seat installations and low-cost car seats to income-eligible families.
So our program is really important for parents because it's essential for them to understand how to get their child home from the hospital safe, and then every time they travel thereafter, they should be able to have them riding safely within the car seat.
Nick Maniaci is a public health coordinator and says one of the most important things is educating parents.
You're going to pull the strap down here to tighten the car seat.
Nick says for newborns, car seats should be rear-facing with straps at or below shoulder level, the harness across the center of the chest, and no slack on the straps.
And kind of the few things that are different with the rear-facing seat is just kind of like the recline angle of that, because you want to make sure their airway's open. So there's usually an indicator on the seat that will kind of tell you how to do that as well.
Nick also says don't forget to pay attention to those car seat expiration dates.
If you can't find that, a general rule is 6 years from the date of manufacture. So you want to look at the manufacture date, and then you can figure 6 years from then. And the reason for that, especially because we live in Wisconsin, we have a climate that really goes from extreme highs to extreme lows. The plastic shell of the car seat really kind of wears down, and there could be like micro cracks in it that you can't even see to the blind eye.
And when it comes to safety and sleeping, Melissa Thomas is a public health nurse coordinator. She says there are rules parents should follow.
Babies should always be put in their own bed. They should not be sharing a bed with the parents. They can be in the same room as the parents, but they should be in their own bed, which would be a crib or a pack and play or a bassinet.
Melissa says babies should always be on their back on a firm mattress, free from toys, bumpers, and loose blankets.
They could fall onto the baby, or the baby could like roll next to it and it could impact their airway, and then they could suffocate.
Melissa says following these simple steps can help make sure your baby is safe while they sleep.
Following the rules for safe sleep is important so babies don't die in their sleep or suffocate.
Yeah, and so as your child gets taller and weighs more, there are different car seats that they will move into. Nick also mentions that during the winter months, parents should avoid putting those thick, puffy coats on their baby in the car seat, because that extra bulk can create dangerous gaps within the harness in the baby's chest. So very important tips and rules to follow when it comes to baby safety.
Yeah, a lot of great information there. This is stuff that I didn't know. You know,
I'm learning too.
I was going to say, did you get a little practice with the car seat while you were there?
I did, because they are very confusing. So I just decided, like Stephanie did in that package, I'm going to take my car seat to a professional to have it installed. Easiest way to do it.
That's a great idea.